So, hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Arka Irvani. I'm the founder and CEO of Bell Society. So, Bell Society is a biomaterial startup in Indonesia. We started our research in 2019, and the startup itself started in 2020. So, our main goal is to convert organic sources, organic waste, into sheets of cellulose that could replace leather. So, the problem right now is that the leather industry demands grow by 7% a year, while the production only grows by 3%. So the other solution that we have is to increase the production. But if we increase the leather production, we have to face these three problems. The fact that the tannery use toxic chromes, it's a toxic chemicals that can pollute the environment. And 70% of the leather that we produce are being discarded because it's very selective. There's only few of leather that could be used as a leather material in the end, and it uses vast amount of land. And the current solution are synthetic leather, but the problem is that it's made from plastic, it's reliant on fossil fuel to produce, and it also creates waste. So the synthetic leather produce microplastic in the ocean, and also it cannot be degraded because it is synthetically based and there is no organic, we need some treatment to make it degradable. So here at Bell Society, we provide a solution. We convert organic waste into sheets of cellulose that can be used as a leather alternative. The tensile strength is as strong as leather, so it reaches 3.5 MPa to 15 MPa, and the thickness is about 0.5 to 1 millimeter. So it's about the same with leather. This is the technology. So we collect waste. We collect waste from farmers, mainly fruit waste. And then we use our technology, which is bacteria. You can see in the background, there's bacteria moving. That's the bacteria that we're using right now, into sheets of cellulose that we call micelle. You can see the picture in the right, that is micelle. It is as strong as leather and as so flexible and can be stitched and be used accordingly to your needs. This also solves another problem, the problem that about 45% of fruit are being thrown away as food waste. In Indonesia, we produce 729,000 tons of coffee waste. 48% are in the form of coffee skins. I believe this problem happens in many countries because coffee is also something that we produce and we consume a lot. So our technology is focused on that. Our goal is to convert fruit waste and create sustainable products all over Indonesia and maybe the world. Our name itself, Bell Society, came from the bell curve. The bell curve is a graph that depicts normality, a curve that describes how biodiversity are distributed on Earth. We are here to protect the biodiversity by creating a sustainable material. So if we compare to other alternative, which is sheep leather and synthetic leather, we can produce fastly. So we can produce it in 21 days. If we compare to sheep leather, we took about 2 years. So it's very fast. And to produce 1 meter square of micelle, our material, we only need about 1 gallon of water per 1 meter square. So it's very water efficient. And the tensile strength is also stronger than synthetic leather and leather. And it's highly eco-friendly because we convert organic waste. So it's upcycling, we recycle waste. And it's also by the end of the usage, we can degrade it. So if we compare it to the others, it's very eco-friendly and can be used as a sustainable material. This is our business model. So we sell the product directly to consumer, and we can also partners with brands all over the world to use the micelle to create sustainable products. And maybe we can license, and also we can license the technology so that we can convert fruit waste, not only Indonesia, but maybe in all over the world. The target market are huge. The world leather industry is valued at $93 billion. Indonesia is $4.16 billion, and the SMEs is about $2.5 billion. This is our production scheme. So we collect the organic waste from farmers. We convert it into micelle in our production facility, and we create products by collaborating with brands. Yep. Our goal in 2022 is to partners with local brand and also gain partnership with international brand. So currently, we are partnering with 12 local brands in Indonesia and are aiming to release it in early 2022. This is the land use, so it's very time efficient. It's about 10 meters square. 1 acre, we can produce 100,000 of missile, and it's very fast to produce. The production cost is also very low. So the goal is not to create something that is only few people can use, but the goal is to make people can use this by making it cheap. We are also PETA vegan approved. And also this is the picture of the leather. So we are currently testing it. You can see we measure it by using laser. So it's highly efficient. And also we can emboss it. We can give textures to it. The picture in the middle is that we partners with a government testing site so that we can use their site to create a better material. And also in the left is that we're trying to check the thickness of the material that we made, so to fulfill the standard of the industry. This is what we do here. Yeah, so in 2021, we joined Milan Fashion Week, and we have presented the material and gained several brands that are interested to use our material. This is also some pictures of it. So we can use jacket, we can create materials from it, we can make bags, everything. We believe this is the sustainable material and could be the future of the fashion industry. We hope that we can partner with farmers all over Indonesia and around the world, converting their waste, creating sustainable material. This is the team. So we are funded by the Research Ministry in Indonesia, and also we are collaborated with an incubator, LPIK ITB. So this is started, but the startup itself started as in my university project, and after that we get funded, and we are trying to create this startup bigger and partnering with local brands and also global brands. There is some video that maybe you can see.
Ini sangat bersyukur bahwa kulit kopi itu masih berguna.
Bell Society is a biomaterial company that focuses on converting organic waste into missile. Leather-like material that is made by using bacteria to convert organic sources into sheets of cellulose. We partner with farmers and designers to create sustainable product that is degradable and natural, protecting the environment through research and innovation. Our name derives from the bell curve, a curve and statistic that describe how biodiversity is distributed on Earth. Currently, we are partnering with 3 coffee farmers, creating a loop of goodwill by utilizing coffee skin waste that they produce, from waste to value, from farmers to designers, from Pangalengan to Milan. Missile is strong and engineerable. We can create it on large sheet of 1 meter square and can be scaled accordingly. It uses no toxic chemicals, uses natural colorant, have a distinctive smell that make this material unique, and by the end of the day, it can be composted. Our material is produced in Indonesia and has been distributed on several countries, which is Dubai, Turkey, and most recently in Milan Fashion Week. With this material, we are starting an initiative called Cakradonya. It means a message to the world. It is a group of well-known local brands that is selected to release product by utilizing missile in year 2022. Making an impact with every product made. With this collaboration, we are creating a sustainable product collection. Our goal is to make this a worldwide phenomenon. A material that will become the key in creating a healthier Earth. Locally sourced, global possibilities. Let's ring the bell.